Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Virtualbox in Linux. On this system, I am using MXLinux. But if you go to virtualbox.org, you can find information about how to install Virtualbox on different Linux distribution. Here you can see it is available for Ubuntu 18.04, 18.10 and 19.04 and Debian 10. You can also install it in if you are using older version of Ubuntu like Ubuntu 14.04 or 16.04. Then it is also available for Debian 9, Debian 8, OpenSUSE 15 and some other Linux distribution. If your Linux distribution is not available here, you can click on all distributions link, and you can see built on EL6 and therefore not requiring recent system libraries. Click on this and you will see this option Virtualbox 6.0.12 and this is a .run file. So simply save this file. I have already downloaded this file, and if I open my downloads folder, here you can see Virtualbox. Right click on it, go to properties and under permission check this option, allow this file to run as a program, and close this. Now if you will double click on this, you might see this option like in MXLinux it displays featherpad does not open files larger than 100 MB. So featherpad is a text editor, so we don't need to open this file in a text editor. We need to install this application. So simply right click on in the downloads folder and choose open terminal here. You can see we are here. Or you can simply go to start, search for terminal, go to CD downloads, and now we are here inside downloads directory. If I type ls, you can see all the files. So here is our installer file. So to install this installer to run this installer, you need to use this command sudo space dot and slash and then simply type capital V and hit tab to complete the name, and you can see complete name. Now you just need to hit enter to run this. Actually Virtualbox was previously installed on this system. That's why you can see this message removing previous installation of Virtualbox, and now it is installing it again, installing Virtualbox to OPT Virtualbox. Here you can see the previous terminal. It was installed earlier, and once Virtualbox installed, you can see this. You will see this type of message: Virtualbox has been installed successfully, and you will find useful information about using Virtualbox in the user manual, and which can be found here inside OPT directory. You can see virtual user manual, or you can also visit Virtualbox website. This is the address. And to run Virtualbox, you just need to use this command Virtualbox. Let me minimize this, and now here you can see it is actually installing it again. Now here you can see a success message: Virtualbox has been installed successfully. You will find useful information about using Virtualbox in the user manual, so which can be found here. So simply open your file manager, go to file system, OPT. Here you can see Virtualbox directory, and this is the user manual.pdf file. Simply click on it to open this one, and here you can see all the information about how to use Virtualbox, installing on Linux host, and then we can find some more information: installing on Windows host, Mac OS, starting Oracle VM Virtualbox on Linux. So you can see all the information. Our installation is complete. So to run Virtualbox, I can just type VirtualBox. In the terminal, hit enter, and now you can see VirtualBox is running. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Linux videos.